Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video, we are going to see the real world scenario for the redundant email delivery with the help of two MX records. Let's have an overlook for our scenario. As mentioned in the previous video as well, we have a root domain that is techijack.net and our MX record is pointing to pmg.techijack.net and mail.techijack.net, and the preference is 0 for pmg.techijack.net. That will be our primary MX record and it's pointing to public IP A. Here you can see the public IP A. We have a two different ISP in a two different location with two different public IP. So pmg.techijack.net is pointing to public IP A and the mail.techijack.net is pointing to our exchange server. So in the site A, we don't have any exchange server. We have a Proxmox email gateway server that can just relay the email. In our second site, we have our exchange server. So first of all, the email will be received by this Proxmox email gateway and then it will relay to the exchange server. We will demonstrate the thing by simulating that if site A is failed, then how the email will flow, and if site B is failed, then how the email will be received to the exchange server. So let's jump to the machine and let's see how it works. Right now I am on a browser and I have opened the DNS zone editor for my domain, that is techijack.net, and I just want to show you the MX record here. Here you can see the MX record. The priority 0 is pointing to pmg.techijack.net and the priority 20 is pointing to mail.techijack.net. So let me log out from here, and now if you see here, the pmg.techijack.net is my Proxmox mail gateway login and this is mail.techijack.net is my exchange server. So let me log into the jack@techijack.net. This is my exchange server, and let's log into the Proxmox server as well. I want to show you that let's try to send an email from the Gmail to this jack@techijack.net. I have sent the email here, and if we see the Proxmox in the tracking center, you can see the mail is coming from this email address to the jack@techijack.net and the status is accepted and delivered. If we see here it says that techijack.net relay to this IP and the mail has been queued for delivery, and if we see, we received the email, right? So this mail is received first on the PMG, that is email gateway. It filters the email by checking spam score, virus and malwares. If it finds that the email is clean, it will accept it and it will deliver. The mail will be received in the inbox. Let's simulate the failure of our exchange server and see how it will work now. So I will pause the virtual machine of my exchange. This is the Hyper-V server and we have a exchange 01 running on this server. Let me try to pause this machine and it's paused now. Let's go back to the exchange now, and if I refresh it here, you can see it is not able to connect now because the exchange is down. Let me send a email. I have a 3 email ready and I want to show you that. Let's send this email. I have sent this email. The email 2 has been also sent and email 3 has been also sent. So we have sent 3 emails and our exchange is down now. So let's see what happens here. If we check the status here, and you can see from the 3 different IDs, we have this ID and this ID and this ID. 3 different IDs are there. They have sent email to the Jack. All the 3 mails what we have sent just now, they are accepted, but it is deferred. If we see here, it says relay none, delay is equal to 0.05 days and status is deferred, no route to host. So it does not have any route to deliver to the host, so the emails are accepted and deferred. Usually it holds the email for at least 5 days. And now if our exchange is live, then what will happen? Let's see. Let us make our exchange live now. So this is our exchange and let me resume it now. It's up and running again now, and let's refresh it now here, and it's opening the mailbox. We are logged in here. Still we have an email in our deferred status, and if you go to the queue, you can see these 3 mails are in a queue, and if I flush the queue, it will start delivering the email. You can see we have all the 3 emails here now that has been relayed from the Proxmox gateway. Now let's try to make our PMG server offline and see the status. Let me go to the virtual machine for the PMG, and I will just do a right click here and I will pause the machine. The machine is now paused. Let's go back. Now our PMG email gateway server is down, and let's try to send 2 emails now. I'm sending it from this user Philip. I will send it now, and the second user is this Wiki. So let's send this. So now we have sent this email to our exchange, and our Proxmox gateway is now offline, so it will not receive the email, it will not queue the email. But switching from primary MX record to the secondary MX record, it takes some time. So here we will not receive the email as we saw last time, because I just click on the flush email and all the emails were delivered. Here the switchover will take place, because first of all it will try to connect with the MX record with the priority 0, that is pmg.techijack.net, and once it is not communicated properly, then it will switch over to the secondary MX record, that is mail.techijack.net. And we have configured our exchange to receive the SMTP connection. Now you can see that we received the email and the text was this: test after PMG failure. You can see even after our PMG server is out of reach and it's not working anymore, it's offline, still we received our emails. So we didn't lose our any email in the both cases. We will also receive the second email as well. It may take some time. This proves that we will not lose the email even after the PMG server is offline. So this proves that either way, like if the exchange is down, we will still not lose the emails, and if our PMG is down, still we will receive the emails. Only the case like if the PMG is down, we will receive the email, but the email will be not filtered for the spam and viruses. Only the difference is that, but there will be no downtime to the service like receiving an emails. And if you have more resources, you can put the another PMG server on the primary site as well and the secondary site as well, so that every time if any of the site goes down, the email can be received and they can be filtered out. Guys, let me know in the comment if you want to know the properly how we can configure the Proxmox gateway and how we can configure our exchange to achieve this configuration. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.